I've got faith that I'll get all of my underwear back. There was a Thai person negotiating for me as well. One of my Thai friends was negotiating. And she dropped the ball there. She dropped the ball. She looked at me, she's like, they only want 100 baht. Up to you. Up to you. I'm not talking about like the obvious, what Pattaya is infamous for. What is that? Good afternoon from an overcast Pattaya. So today, no thank you. So today I want to talk about why Pattaya or Pattaya is single man's paradise. Convenience. So I'm staying at the Hotel Amber, which is down there, and I'm not gonna go further than a 5-minute walk from the hotel, just to show you how cheap and convenient and close everything is if you're staying in Pattaya. Alright, check this out. Hello. I was wondering if you're not busy, you can help?
Oh, busy you.
Very busy. How long do you think? Tomorrow? Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
No problem. I've got this.
Same time.
Yeah, no problem. You take your time, okay? I pay now or after?
Iron, no iron. You want iron, no iron?
Oh, iron? Sure. Okay.
Iron.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you weigh 1/2, 1.6.
1.6.
Okay.
Okay.
Gym laundry and 1.6. So it's with iron 55 baht per kilo. JMM laundry. But no rush, okay? Maybe tomorrow late I come. What time you close? Okay. What time you close?
Oh, maybe 12.
12 late.
Night time.
What time you sleep?
Oh, last night no sleep.
Oh my God.
Too much job.
Okay, kapuna maka. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay. How I know this one mine? How you know this one mine?
Huh?
How you know this one me?
Oh, I know you.
You know? Easy as. And like, she didn't take my name or anything, but I've got faith that I'll get all of my underwear back. So, look, you know what? I'll continue the video tomorrow and we'll do like an update on it. I just want shave or like line. Okay? Alright, thank you very much. You know.
Understand. I am professional.
I trust you.
You want me to kill you?
Hey, you have razor. I keep my mouth shut. Sorry. Literally she plucked out all my greys, whatever I had, did my nose hairs, little head massage, 100 baht. Make sure you know line. But thank you did very well. What's your name? Jenny at which shop?
Enjoy Barber Shop.
Enjoy Barber Shop. It's on Soy Bukau. Alright. Open the mask. Alright, thank you very much. Friday, okay? So convenient. What's that like? $4, 100 baht. I'll put the price on the screen. So they come. Can you get bag?
No one button.
No worries. So like a face mask, toothbrush and vitamin C, 73 baht. So literally, I'm staying on that street. The barber's there, 7-Eleven there, and laundry there. All within 5 minutes. So I was gonna take you out for lunch, but it's just about to rain. Like I can sense. Hey guys. But I can sense it's about to come down pretty hard. So rather than get caught out there, let's try out the hotel restaurant. So of course, I have to gauge the kitchen, right? So obviously I got a kapow, got a smoothie as well, which is like detox, ginger, lime, and pineapple. So anyway, let's try it out. Let's see how it goes. It's alright. Not the best I've had, but it's alright. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm not gonna lie, I woke up a bit rough today. Anyway, look, I just want to show you something. I'm not sure what direction we're facing, but yeah, check out bananas. I love this town. I've got some green smoothie or something, I don't know. But it's needed. So last night, just a quick recap. Went bar hopping, saw a bunch of friends. Yeah, it was great catching up with everyone. And yeah, I'm paying for it right now. Anyway, let's go pick up this laundry, yeah? This one mine too, okay.
Okay.
Kapuna Mark, thank you. You want this one back? I bring this one?
Okay.
I bring this one for you, okay? Okay, Kap. Thank you very much. I maybe see you tonight, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Kapuna Mark. So, you know, in Thailand, like, especially somewhere like Pattaya, it's such a small community, small place, and like sometimes you just don't know who like you're gonna run into, and like, whoa! What the fuck are you doing, bro? Hey! What the fuck, man? Hey! So look, the video is how Pattaya is single man's paradise. It's so cheap. And so convenient. And
that's
like,
why I'm here.
I'm not talking about like the obvious what Pattaya is infamous for.
What is that?
So what I'm talking about is how easy and convenient and fast everything is, and like whatever you want, it's at your doorstep. Would you agree?
Yeah, and it's affordable. I think is the best thing. You know, I live in Bangkok and it's expensive for everything there in comparison to here.
Right. There's like even drinks, right? Maybe minus 10 baht off of every drink.
Oh man, much more.
Maybe 20, 30. Like a Seng Som Coke. The cheapest Seng Som Coke I've found in Bangkok was about 90 baht. Here it's about 60, 70 baht.
Yeah.
For the same thing.
Same, like beers. You're not getting a beer in Bangkok under 100 baht. You get them here for 60 to 80.
One of the things that is really convenient about this place is because there's so many Westerners and foreigners. Like you'll find a good mix of Thai food and European food.
Come back here. I don't know.
Up to him, up to him. It's good. So another one of those conveniences of Pattaya is the Baht bus. So if you're not looking to pay full price for taxis and stuff or Grab, literally 10 baht. 10 baht will get you anywhere. Or
Only
not.
10 baht.
Only 10 baht. I've been ripped off.
So he was telling me the other night, well last night we were going out to jump on a bar bus and he said they're 100 baht at night. I said no, they're 10 baht all the time. He's like no, 100 baht at night, 100 baht at night. Ripped off.
And that was a Thai person negotiating for me as well. One of my Thai friends was negotiating.
Yeah,
and
she dropped the ball there.
She dropped the ball. She looked at me, she's like, they only want 100 baht. Alright, it was cheaper than the Grab anyway. That was Walking Street to Tree Town.
Take Bolt.
Take Bolt. What's the name of this place?
Mike Mall.
Mike Mall.
Mike Mall? Mike's Mall?
Mike's
I think
Mall.
Mike Mall.
There's so many clothes here. Knockoffs.
Oh, man. Hello.
Man. Knockoffs, etc. And it's cheap.
My friend is coming. I think he's going to buy some.
There's something else you guys might find a little bit convenient if you're on a holiday and you're looking for something cheap and fun and permanent. There's tattoo shops everywhere here, like many other places in Thailand. It's a part of their culture as well. There are tattoo places everywhere. Hey, you chase your dreams? You chase your dream? Up to you. Up to you. My boy Mark's getting fitted. Yeah.
Little bit big, huh?
A little bit big, I think.
Okay.
Maybe. I don't
How
know.
much for this one?
อันนี้มัน 3XL
I don't know. I haven't asked the prices yet. That's gonna be fun. I don't say like two.
We'll find the price out when he's about to pay. Auntie, how much for these shirts?
Huh?
How much for these shirts?
I sell 390. I
390?
give 280 baht.
Wow.
Discount.
Too much. Too much.
Him handsome man, that's why. So you can get fitted for cheap here if you want. Like, that's a matter of like dollars. There's not even $10 for almost designer clothes. So we're at Mike's Mall, and let me just show you how close you are to the beach. When I was here last year, there weren't many boats in the ocean, and now I'm just looking at it. It's just full of them, man. Like I was saying, tattoo shops everywhere here. And like, if you're here, you're more than likely gonna have a drink. We're right outside the mall. Cocktail lounge. It's so easy to find cheap, good food at such an affordable price. Look at this. So in Thailand, there's so much convenience, right? Like, you've got 7-Elevens everywhere, and if 7-Eleven doesn't tickle your fancy, on the corner there is Family Mart. Now, I'm standing in front of like a taxi service. It's called Chok Detour, and I think if you want to go to the airport or Bangkok from Pattaya, it's going to cost you about 1,200 baht for a private taxi. 1,500 to airport. 1.5. Okay. And if you want to go on a minibus, why minibus more? 1.8. Oh, we got more people. Ah, so cheaper. Okay. And then taxi 1,000. Okay, different prices. But yeah, very convenient. And you come to a hotel, you pick up from hotel as well. So convenient. I'm going to round out the video about convenience and cheapness in Pattaya. So we're in Jomtien, which is what, like 5-10 minutes away from Pattaya. Cost me less than $3 to get here. And yeah, we're on the beach having a few.
$2 beer on the beach.
This is the life.